Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make my fermented pineapple skin drink. I wish that you could smell this. It just smells so good. Let me turn the AC off. I wish you could smell it. It smells really nice, but I basically, when I chopped up my pineapple, I just reserved the peels, the skin, okay? And what you want to do, I have it in my glass container, my Pyrex. I'm going to pour in 2 liters of water. Actually, no, let me put my sugar first. I don't use a lot of sugar, just a little bit. So I don't like it too sweet. I don't measure, I just put just a little bit of brown sugar, okay? So I have my sugar, and then I have my cinnamon stick. I have 2 whole allspice that I toss in, or you can use an anise, star anise, and 4 whole cloves. Okay, now I'm going to add my filtered water. Okay, and I'm going to add about 8 cups or so, all the way to the top. Okay, and I'm going to give it a stir. That's how it looks. It's very simple, very easy. I'm going to give it a stir, and then I'm going to cover it. So I'll be back to show you what it looks like when it's fermented.